In this way, if we have correctly selected all 3 pairs of the flip button, we can win the game. I'm dragging another if code block from the control section below the change app variable win points by 1 code block in the if else code block we are creating. If we correctly select all 3 pairs of the flip button, the value of the win point variable becomes 3. Let's check if this value of the win points variable is equal to 3. I will click on logic and drag a code block with the equal sign here. Drag the app variable win points code block from the variable section to the left of the equal sign and connect another code block with a 0 from the math section to the right. Let's change the value to 3. Now we need to hide the label flips that display the flip count on the screen and display a you win image. Also, we need to display how many flips it took to win the game in the label win message that we created. First, click on the label flips and drag the set label flips visible to code block here. Click the arrow and select false. Then, from the screenplay section, drag the set screenplay's background picture to code block here and select the uwin.png image. Next, we need to display how many flips it took to win the game in the label win message. Click on the label win message and drag the set label win message's text to code block here. I want to display the text as you won in 6 flips within this labels including the flip count. Since this text you won in flip count flips consist of 3 parts, we need to connect a join code block from the text section here to get the text as needed. Alright, currently the code block only has space for 2 parts. As mentioned earlier, the text has 3 parts. So let's create space for that first. I will click on the settings icon in front of the join and add another item between the existing 2 items in the join code block. Now click on the settings icon again. Okay, now we can provide the text as needed. First, remove the word hello and replace it with you win in. For the next empty space, connect the app variable flip count code block from the variable section. For the final empty space, replace the word world with flips. Alright, now let's look at the code block we have created. During the game, the number of flip buttons we click is assigned to the flip count variable. In the label win message, the text will be displayed you won in along with the value assigned to the flip count variable. Additionally, when the game is won, we need to make the row win that contains the label win message visible. Again, click on row win, then drag the set row wins visible to code block below the set label win messages text to code block and set it to true. Alright, now we have finished creating the code for the scenario where the images of the second clicked flip button matches the images of the first flip button.